Hello friends, this is our second video on very important topic of economics, which is known as micro study, microeconomics. In this economic solution classes, I provide you very easy understanding of the basic concepts of economics, and we start with this new important topic of our class, and which is a microeconomics. As you know from the word micro means small. Micro means small. In economics, this word small is derived from the Greek language, which means micros. This word in economics, word small is derived from Greek word micros. Micros means small parts or small units of an economics, and from this micros the world is derived to micro, and this micros makes the world micro. Okay friends, now in microeconomics we deal with the small parts of the economy, small or individual parts. In microeconomics, we study the economic behavior or economic actions of economic units or small economic groups of an individuals. It means in microeconomics, we study the economic behavior and economic actions of individual or small units of economy. Are you clear, guys, from this? In other words, in microeconomics, we study how various cells of economic organisms do their economic activities. Various cells of economic organisms do their economic activities and reach their equilibrium state. I think you all understand this, and next point is in microeconomics we do very important point, we do microscopic. It's very important, microscopic study. It means we do microscopic study of individual units of economy. Individual units means one factory who is producing goods in the economy, or some particular type of consumers who consume goods in the economy. By this we study how they reach the equilibrium state. in the economy. Now, I like you all write down a very important point. It consists of looking at the economy through a microscope as to see how the millions of cells in the body economic. It is very important point. Body economic means whole the economy is like a body in which various cells do their individual role, do their individual part, as the individual or households as consumers and individuals or producers producer firms play their part in the working of whole economy. Now, do you understand? This is a very important point. It means in microeconomic, it consists of millions of cells. It means when we study about the economics, economics of economy, it consists of millions of cells, means millions of industries, millions of producers, millions of consumers, and this economy, various producers do their part and various types of consumers do their own part. ठीक है. In microeconomics, when we talk about the individuals or households, it means that households or consumers who considers a particular type of economy. And when we talk about the producer firms, it means a particular type of producing goods, who produce a particular type of goods, like sugar industry. In sugar industry, which type of the firms which are producing the sugar, they all are known as microeconomic. They all considered in microeconomics as they do their small role in the working of the whole economy. The whole concept of economic consists the three important parts. And I like to explain that whole micro theory through that chart. theory. I like to explain the whole microeconomic theory in a chart which has three parts, which explain the microeconomics theory and which consists in microeconomics. And first is product pricing, and second is the factor pricing, and third one is economic welfare. Economic welfare, theory of economic welfare. And product pricing further has two theories. One is theory of demand, theory of demand, and theory of production and cost. And factor pricing consists four theories. One is wage, rent, interest, and profits. Well, friends, in microeconomic theory, we study about the individual units as producers and consumers do their role in the economy. And in microeconomic theory, there are three theories: product pricing, factor pricing, and theory of economic welfare. And product pricing further has two theories: theory of demand, theory of production and cost. Factor pricing considers wage, rent, interest, and profits. Well, friends, in this session I take my topic up to this only. In next, we are going to read or understand the further parts of microeconomic before going to macros. Well, continue to see my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, as you can understand the various aspects of economics. And if anyone have any inquiry about the economics, and you have any questions regarding economics, you want to study about a particular theory or particular questions in your mind, you can reply me, you can give me comment on this, and I will reply your all questions, and I will definitely give my lecture on the topic which you want to understand and which you want to clear in a very easy way. So up to that, goodbye and best of luck. And economics is a very interesting, very interesting subject. Bye.